3 hot healing winter soups which are ready in under 20 minutes. Your body does not need fancy supplements, it needs these 3 soups. Let's get cooking. The first one is a warm, flavorful Oriental soup, loaded with vegetables and perfect for boosting immunity and digestion. Start by finely chopping 1 carrot. These quantities serve about 4 people, so adjust the quantities based on your requirement. Next, trim and finely chop green beans. Wash the mushrooms well and chop them too. We are not adding any stock to the soup, so purely relying on the flavor of vegetables. Mushrooms are a must for adding that rich umami flavor to the soup. Now finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Add more garlic if you like a stronger flavor. I feel spring onions are essential to any Chinese or Asian style soup. Separate the white bulbs and the green stalks. Chop both and keep them aside. I'm also adding some sweet corn for texture and natural sweetness. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Once warm, add the spring onion whites followed by ginger, garlic and some salt. Add all your chopped vegetables, carrots, beans, mushrooms and corn. Mix well, cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We want the vegetables to stay crunchy and bright, so avoid overcooking. Add 1 glass water, more salt and bring it to a boil. At this stage, add the spring onion greens. I'm adding a cornflour water slurry to thicken the soup, but this step is optional. I'm adding half teaspoon white pepper powder. White pepper gives an authentic Oriental flavor to the soup. Add 2 teaspoon dark soy sauce and turn off the heat. To add a little tanginess to the soup, finish with the juice of half a lemon. Serve this hot, fiber-rich soup and garnish with fresh spring onions and my favorite 1/4 teaspoon chili oil. This is totally optional, but it really elevates the flavor. Sweet, sour, spicy, this warm, nourishing soup is a treat for the taste buds. The second soup is a creamy spinach soup, rich in vitamins, antioxidants and fiber. It is great for boosting immunity, gut health and skin health. Wash the spinach thoroughly to remove all dirt. Finely chop 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic. That's all you need for the soup. In a pot, melt some butter, add the garlic and let it brown slightly. This creates a beautiful nutty flavor. Add onions, salt and cook until they turn golden brown. Now toss the spinach in and let it wilt. Do not overcook the spinach. We want to preserve that bright green color and its nutrition value as much as possible. The heat has been turned off and I'm adding half a glass of water to cool it slightly. Then blend it into a smooth paste using a hand blender or even a mixer. Now I'm going to finish the soup on a pan. Melt some butter, add 1 bay leaf and a small stick of cinnamon. Pour in the blended spinach. Cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, just enough to remove the raw taste. Once the soup starts bubbling, add crushed black pepper and 1 tablespoon fresh cream. Adjust salt and serve this vibrant, nourishing soup. Top up with a drizzle of extra cream if you like and a sprinkle of red chili flakes. This vibrant, creamy spinach soup with the goodness of vitamins and antioxidants is truly nourishment in a bowl. The third soup is a winter special tomato carrot soup. This is a family favorite at my home. My daughter can live off this soup. A comforting tomato carrot soup that's rich in carotenoids for skin, eye health and inflammation protection. Chop 1/4 onion into cubes and finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Roughly chop 1 carrot and cut 4 tomatoes into halves. That's all you need. In a pot, melt a cube of butter, add 1 bay leaf, onion, garlic and salt. Let them brown slightly. Add the carrots with some water, cover and cook till they soften. Alternatively, you can use a pressure cooker. I prefer using a pot. Once the carrots have softened, which would take about 3 to 4 minutes, add the tomato halves. Some more salt and cook the tomatoes for few minutes. Now I am going to use a shortcut so that I don't have to use a strainer later on. Use tongs to peel off the skin of the tomatoes. It's a fairly easy thing to do. Add 1 glass water, bring this mixture to a boil and turn off the heat. Once cool, Blend into a smooth soup. Use a mixer alternatively. I'm adding 1 tablespoon fresh cream to the soup. I've made this soup without the cream as well and it tastes just as good. Add crushed black pepper and serve your hot soup in a bowl. Top with fresh cream and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. This soup is a great blend of sweetness from the carrots, sourness from the tomatoes and a kick of black pepper. Pairs beautifully with toast or homemade croutons. So which soup are you trying out first? Tell me in the comments. If you love these recipes, do not forget to like, share and save this video for chilly winter days ahead. I will see you guys in the new year. Take care until then. Happy holidays.